Now for undraping the leg. First thing that we want to do, and always remember, is get this blanket out of our way. Otherwise, it's just going to add to bulk. It's just going to be a lot harder to manipulate what we're doing with our sheets here. So first thing we do, grab the edge of our blanket, and we are going to move that over and out of the way. One thing you may notice me doing here is leaning up against the table as I move the blanket. If I just grab the blanket, I may grab the sheets, and as I go to move things over, then I've actually got a problem where I'm just uncovering the individual. So here I can come down, I can make sure I've got the blanket, and then I can lean myself up against the sheet, bring the blanket over, blanket, sheet stays in place, blanket moves out of the way. Now I'm going to move just the bottom of the sheet over the foot. So again, I'm standing in horse stance at the side of the table. I'm just going to bend my knees down, grab the edge of the sheet, move that over the foot. I've still got a hold of the sheets. My top hand here is going to slide up. My proximal hand here is going to slide up along the leg, along the thigh, just over the knee. Once I've gotten just over the knee, my hands are going to switch, and when they switch, my distal hand is going to go under their knee and lift. When that lifts, my proximal hand will slide under the knee, grab the sheet, and then I'm going to pull that up towards their thigh, allowing the excess that's over the thigh to slide along with me. And then as I get up here, if I need to, I can pull this a little bit tighter up and then tuck both of these just under the hip here so that they're nice and secure. And then if we need to, we can have our client grab and hold both of these sheets here so that if we're going to do any joint movement manipulations of the leg, they've got control over the tightness of those sheets. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. If you could go ahead and grab the sheets right here, got hold of them, make sure that those stay nice and tight around your leg here. And I'm just going to move your knee and hip into flexion here. So see, we've got a nice cover with our sheets here, and we've got access to the leg. We can do some joint movement, and some extra stretches, bring them back out. Go ahead and go that for me. And then quick and easy way to get yourself out of this drape is to take the hand closest to the client, usually your proximal hand, and we're going to lift with the knee while we grab the sheet, and the hand that's grabbing the sheet is just going to pull down and towards the foot and towards yourself, so that in one fell swoop, pull that out, and we're covered up. Let me do that just one more time quickly so that it looks smooth. So we're coming up over the knee, thigh, and again up to the thigh, giving them a nice little tuck. I'll also loosen the sheets on the other foot, that way nothing is tight and uncomfortable. Now we're here, and to get back out, we're just going to lift up the knee, get a little tuck down towards the foot, we get that covered back up, and we'll just bring our sheets and blanket back over, and to the other side. Get our blanket out of the way, sheet up and over the foot. We're going to slide our proximal hand up over the thighs, switch hands, pull up towards the hip, tuck these in, do our work, and then to get out, we're just going to lift at the knee, pull the sheet down towards the foot, covering back up the leg, bring our blanket back over, and that's how we would drape the legs.